In today's craft video, I will be bringing you guys along with me as I make my very first mask and my very first test run on my Singer 4423 sewing machine, and pack an order with me. Hey guys, I'm Brandy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Look guys, I am super excited to share with you today's craft video. Let's have some fun. Let's jump right into it. Good morning, friends. Happy Monday. I am so happy to get with you guys today and let's have some fun. I know it's late. I was actually ready to put together my video yesterday, but you know, baby girl was not trying to hear it. So there would have been so much noise if I tried to record yesterday. But it is early Monday morning, so excuse the sleepiness. I just woke up. I did brush my teeth and wash my face, so that is fresh. But I wanted to jump on here, guys, and let you know we have so much to show you in today's video. So I did my first test run, guys, on my Singer 4423, guys. Now, I did it on my heart embroidery test design that I did the other week. And so it's not perfect. It was just for me to get the feel of the machine, to go around, to fold it, to kind of go around, you know, pivot on the ends, and then to back stitch and go forward. Just kind of get a feel of the pedal because I am new, completely new to sewing, right? I have not done any sewing outside of sewing a hole together in my jeans, my sock, or my shirt, or whatever, since probably, I think it was middle school. I took like home economics, so running a sewing machine is all new to me. So look, I have a lot to learn and I'm excited to share with you guys my process, the beginning process, as I grow and learn, because I have so many great things from my sewing machine and my embroidery machine, right? So I did a little round, so I have pictures and a video how I went around the edges. Y'all, I was so psyched. I jumped up and did a happy dance like I had like no, like like I was like a kid in a candy store, literally. So I did that, and then I also, guys, I also did I found an easy project. Now if you guys watched my vlog on Wednesday, you guys know that I told you I had an easy project I was gonna do and I was probably gonna mess it up, but it's okay, guys, because it's in the beginning. Crafting is learning. I always say that, right? So I made a mask, and everybody's out there, please be gentle with me. This is my first round with sewing, so there's a lot of imperfections, a lot of probably little mistakes. You guys are probably like, girl, what she just do, you know? But that's okay. I am welcome to everybody's input, tips, and tricks for sewing. I've been watching a lot of videos, so I am excited for you guys to see my project, right? So let's see. I did my mask. Now, when I made my mask, I put up close pictures for you guys so you guys can see how it turned out. It was too big. It was. So I watched the video and she did the mask in like 7 minutes, but she's a pro, so that's the difference. So when you see the pictures of me with the mask on, it's like it's huge. So I missed a step. There's something that I missed or something like that. So when you guys see my mask, let me know what step I missed, if you can figure it out by looking at it, or what I did wrong or whatever. But I am gonna go back to that YouTube video and I'm gonna look at her video again to see where I missed that. Now, my measuring skills are very rusty. I mean, like, very rusty. It's crazy. So the pattern was 100% cotton, and it was a 9x6, and then the elastics were 6.5 inches. So, you know, it's funny. So as I was preparing for my, to make the mask, I actually, after I videotaped it, I went back and I looked at it, and I really laughed at myself because the purple mat that I bought, it's a cutting mat, right? And when I bought it, I forget what the dimensions are supposed to be, but when I bought it, I was like, yeah, this is gonna be nice and big. And when I got it, I was like, what is this? What am I gonna do with this? So I actually use my measuring tape to measure it, you guys, for completely forgetting that there's measuring right there on a purple thing. So please don't judge me. So I got that all measured out. Y'all hear some noise. I'm sorry, guys. It sounds like there's something scratching. My central air conditioning vent is right here. So either something's on the outside of the window or something is in the vent. Y'all, hold on just for 1 second. I'm about to open these blinds real quick. It's like 6:30 in the morning, so it's very, very, it's still dark outside. Stand by for 1 second. Okay, guys, so back to the program here. I ripped open the curtains and the blinds and I didn't see anything, so I don't know what that noise was. So I had the purple mat and I had it all laid out, and I just decided I could have used the measurements right there. So when you see that part of the video, just laugh along with me, you know, not at me, just laugh with me. But I'm excited to share my mask with you guys. So also in video, I have an order for 3 of my faux leather earrings. So I packed up that order in this video, and I really love my faux leather earrings. I have some great fall kind of like earrings that I'm going to be making here soon, and the faux leather earrings are extremely light and you can, you know, pretty much wear them with anything. So in today's video, I hope you guys like my clips. I'm gonna go ahead and add them on right now, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. what did you think? Did you like my mask process? It wasn't too bad. It was very simple, as you can see. The lady said the mask was like a 10-minute mask, and literally she was done in under 7 minutes when she made her video. So the mask wasn't hard, but I missed some part in that video because the mask is huge on my face. So it's not like it's tight at all around the top or around the bottom. And as you can see in the pictures how my stitching was, but you know, this is the beginning of my with my sewing machine. So crafting is all about learning and growing, right? Trial and error. I always say that in my videos, but I got up close so you can see how I went down the edge, and I went all the way around, and it was really neat. She used her in the video. You know what? I'm gonna put the clip down in the description box below, but she used her thread cutter. I think that's what that thing is called because I just got it in mail. She used her thread cutter to turn the side of the mask to put creases in it on the side, and that was kind of hard for me to line up to get those, because I use one of those what do you call that, infusible ink pens or disappearing ink pens for fabric, and it literally disappears so quick, it's disturbing. So I had to kind of like figure it out. I mean, and that mask is just my trial and error test mask for me. So I'm definitely gonna try again until I nail it, because I feel like that's an easy mask that I can get, and you know, as my first project, and I thought it was excellent. So did you guys see the earrings? Now look, when I was packing the order, I think it's like a 4x7 envelope, and I normally put like my key fobs in there and my earrings, and everything fits. So my thank you card would not fit right. So I think I'm going to make smaller thank you cards, or like kind of minimize it just a little bit for the envelopes, because I put the earrings in that box, and you see those are the box I use for my kids' t-shirts when I have an order for my children's t-shirts to ship. So I put those earrings in there. So it's either I need to get the next size up for that envelope, or either get a smaller thank you card, because I mean everything could have fit in there, because I have shipped, you know, key fobs and earrings in there. So I just like was over it, and I was like, I'm just gonna go ahead and ball it up and get one of the boxes. So I hope you guys liked today's videos. Also, I'm making a to-do list for actually a checklist for as I'm processing orders, to kind of like stay organized, to make sure I don't forget anything. So I actually used that task I should say to on this video, packing this order, and it kind of it went along smoothly. So once I retype it, I'm going to share it with you guys so you guys can, you know, see what I'm doing, and it may help somebody else, you know, with packing their orders. It's kind of like you pack every order differently, but you don't want to forget anything, because then you'll ship, you're like, oh man, I forgot to add this, a thank you card, or I forgot to add the scratch off and all that kind of stuff. So I will share that with you guys once I retype it up and kind of like find my rhythm with it. So anyway, thank you guys so much for rocking with me each and every single week. I appreciate you guys' support. So until next time, take care, guys.